Not sure how to use your Daikin AC Remote? Model number ARC433B41. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Daikin AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Activates the intelligent eye sensor, which detects human movement in the room. If no movement is detected, the AC automatically adjusts or reduces power to save energy. Pressing the powerful button activates a high-power mode that quickly boosts cooling or heating to reach the set temperature faster, then automatically returns to normal operation to conserve energy. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Pressing the comfort button activates an airflow mode designed to prevent direct air from blowing on people, ensuring a more gentle and comfortable environment. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the cancel button to deactivate any previously set timer or scheduled function. It stops the programmed operation and returns the AC to normal manual control. Press the clock button to set your perfect schedule, use the up and down arrows to adjust the time, and press it clock button again to confirm and save the setting. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Daikin AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.